Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're trying another oil. Today we're making carrot oil. Carrot, as you know, is fueled with vitamin and antioxidant. I'll be trying this recipe with very simple ingredients. Of course, you'll need carrots, and the other ingredients is your oil. And you can use different oils such as coconut oil, or you can use it with extra virgin oil or almond oil. But me, I'm trying it either with coconut oil or extra virgin oil or virgin. Carrots is a good oil to add with other oil that you normally use, such as your vitamin E oil or any oil you add to your normal hair routine. So carrot oil is perfect for glowing skin, added healthy oil for your hair. And the best part of it is very simple recipe that you can do right at home. I'm gonna go ahead and start the process. I use 4 smaller versions. I really went ahead and just already pre-shredded them. And of course you need your carrier oil, coconut, or olive oil, or almond oil. It's your preference. And in this glass, I went ahead and added my carrier oil, coconut oil. I did 2 scoops. I forgot to film that. I could have let it melt, but you know, since it's gonna be melted in the hot pot of boiling water, I didn't melt it this time. So yeah, I went ahead and added 2 scoops. Actually, I did 3 scoops of coconut oil in there, and it's just gonna melt in there anyway. So I'm gonna let it melt inside that pot of water. It's gonna heat up. Once it heat up, I'll put this in there. And once you put it in there, don't put it all the way closed. Keep it half closed, so you don't want it to collect too much steam. So it's gonna start melting up. Once it starts melting up, you mix it in there a little bit. You don't let it sit there for too long though. Like about maybe 10, 20 minutes. So the oil could melt in there. So let's see, come on. Give it a moment and then we'll come back to it. And then I'll put my little jar in there. We're adding it in, and as you can see, let me lower the temperature a little bit, and I'm putting it in there, and I'm closing it, but not all the way closed. We're gonna let it be in there for maybe 10 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and stir it in a little, and then after that, we're gonna let it cool off. I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my stove, and I'm gonna go ahead and move my pot on the side to cool off. And once that's done, I'll go ahead and remove this from there. So it could go ahead and cool off too. On the side, I can have that one. So now we just have to wait for it to cool off. Once it's done, we'll go ahead and pour out our oil. All right? I'll be back. Since it's cool, we're gonna go ahead and pour it. I have a cheesecloth, so I'm gonna have a small cloth that I put in here so I can press it. So there's nothing that stays in there, because if you have anything remaining, it could be bad. It could turn the oil.
And the best way to do that is having a cheesecloth or using an old pantyhose or stocking, or getting a very fine strainer to squeeze out all the residue of the carrot when you are doing your oil, so you can get a very clear oil for your oil supply.
Let me get some metal spoon instead of a plastic spoon, so you can get more out of it.
I was so excited to film this. I forgot to buy the cheesecloth and strainers I have around the house are a little bit too big. The holes in there, they're not fine enough, and I couldn't find any stockings, old or new, around the house. So I did have to make do by getting some sheets and cut them up, and small enough old sheets and cut some of them, and make do with that, and was able to run the juices a few times, and I was able to produce some very clear liquid from it, as you can see, and that was helpful enough, thank God. And yes, and it did help, but next time I'll be sure to buy a cheesecloth, or at least have a pair of nylon stockings at the house if I forget to get the cheesecloth. This is the final result, and this is how much I got from the full amount. All right, thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share, and don't forget to click that notification bell for my next video update. Thank you again for all the support and the love. Stay safe out there, you guys. God bless you. Bye.